Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today again I will discuss more problems related with percentage. Before I start exercise 8b, I like to define an important point. 100% can be written as 100 over 100 and it will become 1. As we know that percentage is a fraction whose denominator is 100 and it shows a complete object, a complete thing, or we discuss particularly numbers. So 100% shows a complete number. Now I start exercise 8b, question number 1, A part. Find the value. Increase 60 by 35%. So firstly I do some rough work. We have to increase 60. So we will add something in 60. Increase 60 by 35%. We have to increase 60 by 35%. So add 35%. But we know that percentage is a fraction and fraction means a part of an object. So percentage means a part of an object. As we are increasing 60, 35% will be of 60. Now we can write 60 as 1 multiplied by 60. One can be written as 100 over 100. Hundred over 100 can be written as 100%. Now by taking common 60 from both the terms, it will become 100% plus 35% of 60. So in rough work, the final step shows that if we want to increase some number by some percentage, so we will add 100% into the given percentage and take the final percentage of original number. So here we want to increase 60 by 35%. So required value will be 100% plus 35% of 60. 100% plus 35% will become 135% of 60. Now by using calculator, we will get 81. So an important point is new value is equal to final percentage multiplied by original value. Like in rougher, final percentage is 100% plus 35% and original value was 60, which we want to increase. Also we have an alternative method for A part is, firstly we find increase, which is 35%. But we know that percentage is a fraction. Fraction means part of an object. So 35% will be of an object. As we are increasing 60, so percentage will be of 60. By using calculator, we will get 21. New value is equal to original value plus increase, because we are increasing 60. Now I do D part, and B part and C part will be your assignment. As we want to decrease 216 by 37.5%, so new value will be 100% minus given percentage of the original value. Convert 37.5 into decimal or as a fraction. Now by using calculator, it will become 62.5. It can be written as to get the value of new value 135. Another important point, increase or decrease is equal to percentage increase or percentage decrease multiplied by original value. This is derived from alternative method in the previous part. Now I do question number 6. In question number 6, we are given a car was bought in 2009 for 1,20,000. Price of car, or you can say value of car, is in 2009 1,20,000. In 2010, its value decreased by 20%. So in 2010, it will become 100% minus 20%. Price of car in 2010 will be 100% minus 20% of original value, original price, 80%. it will become, by using calculator, 96,000. 96,000 is the price of the car in 2010 after decreased by 20%. In 2011, its value decreased by 10% of its value in 2010. Again, 10% decrease of its value in 2010, and value of car in 2010 is 96,000. So price of car in 2011, it will become 100% minus 10%. Of price of car in 2010. Hundred percent minus 10% will be 90%. And we have to find the value of car at the end of 2011, which will be 90% of 96,000. It will become 90 multiplied by 96,000 over 100, and by using calculator we will get 86,400. This is the value of car at the end of 2011. Now I do question number 10. Question number 10 is, the number 2400 is first increased by 30%. When we increase 2400 by 30%, we will get another number. The value obtained, the number obtained is next decreased by 20%. So firstly I increase 2400 by 30%. After increase of 30%, new number will be 100% plus 30% of original number. It will become 130% of original number. Now by using calculator we will get 3,120. In the second line, when we increase 2400 by 30%, the value obtained, which is now 3,120, the value obtained is next decreased by 20%. Find the final number. Now, by the decrease of 20%, the final number will be 100% minus 20% of the value obtained, because we are decreasing the value obtained by 20%. 100% minus 20% will become 80%. Now it will become, by using calculator, 2496. In the next lecture, we will discuss reverse percentage. Thank you, students.